Hello and welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We are looking at a question from Singapore Olympiad that involves a square root of equation. The question is given if root of x plus root y plus root of x minus root y is equal to 2, root of y plus root x minus root of y minus root x equal to 1, then find the value of 4x plus 2y. As we are going to start the problem, before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it out. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So, I personally found that this problem is very interesting and I hope you like it. Let us go ahead and start. So, here first of all, given. So, I am writing given part. So, root of x plus root y plus root of x minus root y is equal to 2. So the second equation is root of y plus root x minus root of y minus root x is equal to 1 now. Let it be 1 and 2. So here how to solve this problem? So here what you are doing is first you have to find the values of x and y. So then you have to substitute the values here in 4x and y so that you can get the value of this. So first here both our terms are having square root. So we'll remove that square root by squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides we are doing the first one. So here what I am writing is root of x plus root y plus root of x minus root y whole square is equal to 2 square. So here what will get first a square x plus root y plus b square x minus root y plus 2ab, 2 root of x plus root y into x minus root y is equal to 4. So here root y get cancelled. 2x plus 2 root of x into x square minus root y whole square will get y is equal to 4. A plus b, a minus b formula are using here. A plus b, a minus b. So taking 2 common, x plus root of x square minus y is equal to 4. Now send x to that side. Root of x square minus y equal to 4 minus x. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. What you are getting here? X square minus y is equal to. So here taking 2 common. Here we'll get 2. Here we'll get 2 minus x. So here 4 plus x square minus 4x. So x square get cancelled. Now here the equation will get 4x minus y is equal to 4. Let it be 1. Now if you take the second equation also squaring on both sides. Second equation squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides the second equation, directly I am writing y plus root x plus y minus root x plus 2 root of y square minus x is equal to 1. So root x cancel. 2y plus 2 root of y square minus x is equal to 1. So here taking 2 common. So here you'll get minus. So y minus root of y square minus x is equal to 1 by 2. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to root of y square minus x. Now squaring on both sides. So y square plus 1 by 4 minus y is equal to y square minus x. Y square cancel. Taking LCM here you'll get 4x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Let it be 3. Let it be 4. So this is the third one. Now subtracting 4 minus 3, 4x minus y is equal to 4. Subtracting these two, these two will get cancelled. Here minus 3y is equal to minus 5 will get. Now y value is y value is 5 by 3. Now replace y in 3. So what will get 4x is equal to 4 plus y. That is the third one. So what will get here 4x is equal to 4 plus 5 by 3. Taking LCM, you will get here 4x is equal to 12 plus 5 by 3. So here you will get 17 by this 4 you are sending this side. 4 into 3, 17 by 12. That is x value. X value is 17 by 12. Now what is required? Required is 4x plus 2y. So you are substituting 4 into x value 17 by 12 plus 2y 2 into 5 by 3. Here 4 will go 3 times. So here you will get 17 by 3. 17 by 3 plus 10 by 3. 27 by 3. You will get 9. I hope you understood the problem. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Thank you.